Hey traders, it's Options Tender. We're going to check in today. We're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to focus on the market. Um, I noticed all the panic on one down day in like 10. So we're going to we're going to focus on the SPX. We're going to check out the ES for today, and we're going to leave it at that because I think we might be headed down for another day, and then we'll start with some trade ideas after the market to continue on for next week. I don't want anybody to get caught up with these down days and putting on trades with bad positioning, and so we're going to try to prevent that. So we're starting off with the SPX. This is the monthly. Getting a little bit away from the 8MA. Real tight this month to start. Moving to the weekly. We're right on the upper resistance. We are working on a 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we're working on a wave 5. I still think we go higher. We're working on an inside week right now. This may end off the week inside, and then we'll be looking for a move next week, whether that be up or down. So we'll consider this a pause week, but we still have time on the week left. So don't get too complacent. We'll see what happens. Momentum is still up. And then we'll move on to the daily. First, we'll do the daily trend. We came down. We hit the 8MA. We're holding on that right now. We may come down to the 20. This looks like we're this is an A, B, C in this fifth wave. So we are working on a minute 1, come down as 2, and it looks like with this correction we're completing the wave 3, and this may go down to a wave 4, and then we continue on to finish wave 5, not only on the daily but on the weekly. There's a possibility that we come down to this fuchsia line to retest back here as well. But, I'm thinking kind of the 20 area. We'll move to the expected move. We are still, oh, that looks like garbage. Okay, so on the expected move, we were just hanging around right at the beginning of the week. We didn't move anywhere. We finally took a dip down. Like I said, we're on the 8MA. We have some room to go here on the lower expected move. It's no coincidence that lower expected move is right at the 20. So, like I said, we may hit that today. If we do hit that, I'm going to be looking for some long shots. We do have a little bit of support right here, right at that expected move. So we'll move on to the ES, just so we can get a look at what's happening today. Sorry, I sound like I'm a little bit somber. We're still in the up market, you guys. The trend is up, everything's up. Just in the very small time frame, we're looking down a little bit. So let me pull out just a bit here so we can see what's happening a little bit more. So, sorry, let me get that. Okay, so we're looking at being this is a 65-minute chart, and minute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we completed the waves, and we're looking for a correction now. So it looks like yesterday we moved down 1 or A, B, and we're getting into a C correction. I put this downtrend line here. That's going to be our lower time frame downtrend. So after we come down, the C might come down to our expected move here. That fuchsia line, we have nice support. This looks like it's bear flagging, and actually peeking right out there now. So today may be our move. We're probably gonna play that. As a matter of fact, no, we're not probably. I'm gonna put a put on today, just a small position, because we're going against the trend. You know, this will be a day trade, and with our measured move for flags, when you have a bear flag like this, you have a pull. Pull starts from the top, goes down to the first extension. We form our flag, which is wave B, and then the top of the flag measures down. And look at that. How perfect, how convenient. It measures out right to the expected move. It doesn't get any more perfect than that. So this looks like a high probability play. We're going to play this short play, and then we're going to look for some longs right at that. So if we go down quick, we may get some longs in today, and I will post those on Instagram, on Facebook, what else? Twitter. I mostly go on Twitter, but I'll try to connect all those trades. And then we'll go from there. So tonight we'll post some new trades. If we're looking to go to the upside, maybe we'll find some divergence in the MACD or the RSI to confirm our ABC move correction, and then we'll have a fresh new 5 wave up. So, I appreciate this. Don't get too panicky. This is one down day. We'll have 2 in a row, perhaps. We'll go from there, and yeah, that's the nature of the market. We just got to stay calm. That's why we give our trades some time behind it. If you feel like a trade isn't moving and it's too far out, on the bounce, maybe that's a good time to get out of the trade and reposition yourself. Don't let yourself get to a point where that theta decay takes away a lot of your position, a lot of your money. Time can go against you. It can be with you. So make sure you have some time on your trades. Be safe trading, guys. If you like this content, we'll keep it up. I think we may focus a little bit more on the market and then throw in a few trades at the end. But I want you guys to be aware when we're done with a wave 5, and so we can put protection if you're in calls, and we can take away some of that down movement. But if you like this stuff, just press like. It helps out the page. It helps out with the algorithms. We're not even at 35 videos yet anyway, so the algorithms aren't gonna do too much for me yet. But if you let's get in the habit of liking, subscribing. I'll try to get this out to as many people as I can. We're gonna grow this channel. It's brand new, and I appreciate your support, you guys. Again, look for the down day today. Don't panic. Put in some we'll get some trade ideas for you. Okay, thanks for joining us. Good luck trading, and we'll see you tonight.